Hey guys, welcome to Token Red Fox. If you like easy and quick meal, you are in right place. Today we are going to make my simplified version of Cypriot potato kofte. Let's get to it. Finally grate 215 grams of potatoes. Partially get rid of the potato juice. $285 grams of minced beef. Minced meat for kofte should be at least double grinded, so I give it an extra squish by hands. Chop 1 red onion. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/5 of teaspoon of cumin, and some parsley. Mix it up. And shape the mixture into patates. Fry it in hot oil until golden brown from both sides. Or you can make them in an air fryer as well. This is enough for 2 portions and it goes well with rice, chips, potatoes, or in tortilla. And that's it. Enjoy!